Welcome to our video tutorial on how to switch cameras in a video call on Snapchat. With the updated version of the app, it's easier than ever to seamlessly transition between your front and rear cameras during a video call. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access this feature. Next, tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of chats where you can select the conversation you want to start a video call with. Once you've opened the chat, look for the video icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to initiate a video call with the person you're chatting with. Now, during the call, if you want to switch between your front and rear cameras, simply tap on the switch icon at the bottom of the screen. This will toggle between the two cameras, allowing you to change your perspective seamlessly. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily switch cameras during a video call on Snapchat. Enjoy experimenting with different angles and views to enhance your video chatting experience. Thanks for watching.